Plato said that the soul is immortal because it is always in motion. As a self-mover, it has no beginning. It has no cause, no creator. This exact same argument applies to a point tracing out an Eulerian circle. The process has no beginning and no end. Nothing starts it and nothing ends it. It's an eternal and necessary process. A self-mover is the source of everything else that moves. Plato was exactly right about that. All souls are prime movers. They are the source of all motion. Plato said that bodily objects moved from the outside have no soul. Those that move from within have a soul. So, to move a rock, you have to move it from the outside. It has no soul. By contrast, a human body is moved from within. It has a soul to move it. Plato wrote, "Every soul is immortal. For that which is ever moving is immortal. But that which moves something else or is moved by something else, when it ceases to move, ceases to live. Only that which moves itself, since it does not leave itself, never ceases to move. And this is also the source and beginning of motion for all other things which have motion. But the beginning is ungenerated. For everything that is generated must be generated from a beginning. But the beginning is not generated from anything. For if the beginning were generated from anything, it would not be generated from a beginning. And since it is ungenerated, it must be also indestructible. For if the beginning were destroyed, it could never be generated from anything, nor anything else from it, since all things must be generated from a beginning. Thus that which moves itself must be the beginning of motion. And this can be neither destroyed nor generated. Otherwise all the heavens and all generation must fall in ruin and stop and never again have any source of motion or origin. But since that which is moved by itself has been seen to be immortal, one who says that this self-motion is the essence and the very idea of the soul will not be disgraced. For every body which derives motion from without is soulless, but that which has its motion within itself has a soul, since that is the nature of the soul. But if this is true, that which moves itself is nothing else than the soul, then the soul would necessarily be ungenerated and immortal. The uncaused, the ungenerated, the uncreated is indestructible. It has always existed. It can't not exist. Only circular motion has the property of indestructibility.